Guys, we are replacing this old one that doesn't work anymore with this one, and it's going to be very simple. Check this out. Well, I mean, it's so simple. We're going to use the double-sided tape because it's lightweight, and it's just going to stick right on. Alright guys, just like that. Now, when you put it up, make sure you press the button just to test it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this micro small smoke alarm, Photoelectric. So operating conditions 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 40 Celsius. Maintenance, test weekly and vacuum the outside of the device once a month. Replace the device within 10 years after the day you install it before the battery reaches its maximum life. All right, let's go ahead and show you what you get. Looks like you got two different options here. That's if you want to mount it. You obviously don't have to. All right, so they give you the bracket that you need to turn it on, and this is it. Warning, battery not replaceable. All right, so you got testing you can do, and that's just it. This is it. So it's small. As you can see, it fits in my hand easily. Very simple, very nice as well. So for this, once you put this on, it's going to be pretty simple. So you know, I gotta be careful because we don't want to turn it on quite yet. So you basically mount this. If you want to mount this somewhere, you can just have this setting anywhere. You don't have to mount it. You either mount it with the screws or you put double-sided tape on like this, and then you mount it somewhere. And what you do is you line it up, place it down inside here, and then you would twist it. Once you twist it and lock it in place, that actually activates the battery and the whole system, and then you have, you know, they recommend 8 to 9 years replace it. But we're gonna go ahead and show you that right now. Twist it. Now that it was in and twisted, and we heard a little click, should be able to test this now. There you go. That's how, I mean, it's loud. You're going to hear it, and you just press and hold to test it. I mean, that's loud. That, wherever you have it, you're going to hear this. I mean, man, you can hear that for a mile away almost. Okay, not quite a mile, but you can hear it from far away.